everyone and welcome back. So you have understood your maths work today. Today we have learned to write numbers 16, 17 and 18. And after understanding it properly, now I know that all my dear little students can write numbers from 1 to 18. Isn't it so? So keep practicing your numbers. And now it's time to begin with our EVS class. So it's your EVS period and we are going to start with our EVS class today. And what we are going to do today? Today we are going to do the revision. Revision मतलब जो हम already पहले सीख चुके हैं, जो मैम आपको already पढ़ा चुकी हैं, we are going to revise it. हम उसको repeat करेंगे. Clear? So what topic we are going to revise today? We are going to revise the topic of colors. So you remember after the school reopens, जब हमने जुलाई मंथ में यानी कि इससे पहले वाले previous month में अपनी classes begin की थी, we have learnt about lot of colors. मैम ने आपको different colors के बारे में बताया था. We have learnt about objects of those colors. You remember that? So today we are going to do a revision of these colors. First, we will be revising the name of the colors. With that, we will be practicing drawing some pictures related to these colors. Clear everyone? So, shall we start our work today? Okay, let's begin. So, the first color which we learned was, yes, now I'll start showing you the colors. You have to identify and tell me. So, what color is this? Can you identify it? Which color is this? It's a red color. Very good. So the first color that we learned was red. सबसे पहले हमने red color के बारे में सीखा था. So can you tell me two objects that ma'am taught you related to red color? Any two objects related to red color? Yes. There were some fruits, some objects which we have correlated that we found at home, dresses, toys, lot of things we have learned about. So let us learn how to draw two objects related to this red color. So what do you want? We'll draw cherries. Yes, so cherry is a fruit that is red in color. So what we'll do? We'll draw two cherries. I'll take red color pen here. So how you will draw? First draw a wavy line. So you all know how to do this. First I'll make you understand on the board. Then we are going to do this practice in our art files also. So it will be a fun for you all. So first draw a wavy line. Then from same point draw two slanting lines. पहले एक wavy line बनाएंगे and we'll draw two slanting lines and we'll draw cherries like this. So what are these? Cherries, and cherries are red in color. You know that? Great. After cherries, can you give me some more example of red color? There was gas cylinder. Then we also learnt about letter box. याद है आपको post office के बाहर जो होता है, where we put in our letters. Then can you tell me some other fruits which is related to red color? Yes, we have strawberries. Then we have apples. We have pomegranates. So a lot of fruits are there. Anything else which is red in color? We have ladybug. There's an insect, ladybug. So what we can learn is, I'll teach you how to draw an apple here. Clear? Again, draw a wavy line. Like this, we have drawn a wavy line. Then two small standing lines. One smiley curve. जैसे हम smiley बनाते हैं. And after that, draw two curves like this and simple. Join it. So what is this? It's an apple. Isn't it an easy picture to draw? So we have learned to draw cherries and apple. And they are red in color. Yes. Now, it's time for our second color. So I'll show you. Can you identify which color is this? Yes, which color is this? It's yellow. Yes. So it's a yellow color. Now can you tell me two objects that are yellow in color? Any two objects, class? Two yellow color objects. Can you tell ठीक है, अल्फाबेट O बनाया ना हमने, या आप कह सकते हो हमने सर्कल शेप बनाई. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी हैव टू ड्रॉ सम लाइंस, one big, one small, one big, one small. This is how we draw a sun. So one big line, one small line. So can you tell me what these lines are? These lines are the rays. जो सन में से रेज निकलती हैं, ये वो बनाई है हमने. So what is this? It's a sun, and sun is yellow in color. Very good. So can you tell me one more object which is yellow in color? We have banana, then we have duck. Duck देखिए आपने, or you can say ducklings, जो छोटे छोटे ducklings होते हैं, they are yellow in color. Then sunflower is there. Sunflower is yellow in color. Anything else? Mango is yellow in color. So what we'll do, we'll learn to draw a mango. Again, draw a wavy line. ठीक है? After that, draw two standing lines. जैसे हमने apple में किया था. Similarly, one wavy line and two standing lines. बना लिया. After this, what we'll do? एक ऐसे कर्व बनाइए like this and join it. And after that, draw a leaf like this. So what is this? It's a mango. So mangoes are also yellow in color. We have learned to draw a sun and mango, and both these objects are yellow in color. Both these objects are yellow in color. Clear? Now moving to the next color. So now you have to tell me what color is this? What color is this? What color I am having in my hand? Can you identify it? It is blue. Yes, it's blue color. So can you tell me two objects that are blue in color? Any two objects that are blue in color? Yes. We have something that fly in the sky और जिसकी वजह से rainfall भी होता है. What is that? Clouds. So clouds are blue in color. So let us learn how to draw clouds. Nothing. Simple. आपको ऐसे U बनाने हैं छोटे छोटे. And this is a cloud. So one is this cloud that is blue in color. Anything else we can draw a blue color object? We have blueberries. We have whale. Then I have taught you about a bird whose name is blue jay. Then what else I have told you about? Jeans that we wear. So you want to learn how to draw a jeans pant? See, it's very simple to draw. How you are going to do that? So I'll just decrease the size of this mango. See how we are going to do that? First draw sleeping line and two slanting line like this. After that, come down like this. Clear? And like this we'll join it. So this is our belt, pockets. So easy to draw a jeans pant also. Have you seen it? So this is how you can draw any of the two blue objects. So one is cloud and the other one we have learnt is a pant or a trouser. You can say that is blue in color. Clear? Now moving to the next color. So can you tell me the color which we have here? What are these? Hair. So what is the color of our hair? Hair are black in color. They all are black in color. So can you tell me two objects that are black in color? We have learned about hair. Then we have learned about this. What is this? Yes, it's a magician's hat. Yes, you have learned that. It's a magician's hat. And this magician's hat is also black in color. Anything else that we can draw? Something which is used in the transports. जो ऐसे गोल गोल घूमता है जिससे हमारी कार आगे जाती है. What we call that? It's a tire. Yes. So how to draw then what we'll do, we'll just join them with a line like this. So what is this? It's a tire. What is this? A tire we have drawn here. Clear everyone? So now comes the white color. So any two objects that are white in color? One is a snowman. Yes. So how to draw a snowman? First we'll make two circles. Then like this we'll make the hand, eyes, one nose and a small hat. Okay, I'll just erase and I'll draw little big one. So if we are learning to draw white color objects, we can draw an egg or a snowman. So how to draw a snowman? First we'll draw a circle, then one big circle which is joining it. ठीक है, ऐसे बनाया. Then we have drawn a hat here. ये hat पहना हुआ है हमारे snowman ने. Then we'll draw eyes and one nose, mouth. इसकी जो hands होते हैं वो किससे बनती है? Yes, we make it with twig. So what is a twig? Twig is the dry sticks. जो टहनी टूट जाती है ना, सूखी हुई टहनी जो टूट के गिर जाती है, उसको हम twig कहते हैं. So like this, and we'll put a muffler here. Winters में mufflers पहनते हैं ना snowman. So this is that muffler. Clear everyone? What is this? Snowman. With snowman we can also make an egg. So egg is white in color. How to draw an egg? First make a U and join it with a pointed shape like this. And after that just put a zigzag line. So that is an egg. Clear? So we have done red, yellow, blue, black, white. We have learned those objects. Now it's time to learn about last color, that is, which color is this? Green color. Yes. So now it's time to draw any of the two green color objects. So can anyone tell me about two green objects? Which are the two green objects we can draw? Yes class, please, who will tell me about that? So one we have is green grass. You remember that? So how we can draw grass? First draw zigzag line, जैसे हमारा ground हो गया, and after that draw some lines like this. So this is our grass, and this grass is green in color. Next we can draw is a leaf. So you all know how to draw a leaf. You have learned that with alphabet L also. So leaves are also green in color. Understood all? Now this is how we have revised and practiced colors with their objects. Clear? So now how you are going to do this work in your art file? I'll just show you. Complete it and practice these pictures as I may ask you to draw them also. Clear all? Let's see how to do the work in file now. So class, now I have taught you how to draw all these pictures. So what you can do, I have taken a sheet of paper to draw them. Use your drawing file. You all are having a blue color drawing file. So use that file to draw these pictures. You can draw any other picture also, but one picture of each color should be there. Clear? First, write today's date, write down the topic and classwork, and after that, let's start coloring these. You have to draw one picture of each color. So I have taken, for green color, I have taken leaf. So now which color to be done? As I told you, green. What I'll do, I'll take green color and I'll start coloring it. So you have to draw these pictures yourself. I have taught you how to draw them. Draw them yourself. Practice their drawing and then practice coloring in them. Clear all? If you want, you can use dark shade also of green color. I am using light shade. अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप ये डार्क वाला भी ग्रीन कलर यूज कर सकते हो. Clear? So one object we have learned is leaf in green color. What other can be? Grass. Then we can draw vegetables also. You can draw grapes. They are also green in color. Clear? So practice any one drawing and practice coloring in it. Done? We have done with green color. Now what is this? I told you. These are cherries. And what is the color of cherries? They are red in color. So next what I am doing, I am taking red color and I will do it in this. So like this we will color our cherries also. So one thing you have to keep in mind when you are drawing cherries, always draw two together. जैसे मैम ने एक ही पॉइंट से दो बनाई है, like this you have to draw two together. Clear? So one green color object we have done now, and now we have completed one red color object also. So some other red color objects are like strawberry, then apple, then you have letterbox, pomegranate. Like this you can draw any picture. Now moving to the next picture. What is this? It's a magician's hat. And what is the color of hat? Black in color. Yes. Now we'll do black color in this hat. So can you tell me some other objects that are black in color? Hair. Yes. We have hair. They are black in color. Then we have tires. They are black in color. Something else you can give me? Any example? Crow. Crow bird is also black in color. Then bat, जिसको हम चमगादड़ कहते हैं, bat, they are black in color. They fly at night. वो रात में fly करते हैं. So these are black color objects. Like this you will color this hat. So you remember we have done earbud painting in hat when we did black color. तो मैम ने आपको बोला था ये वाला circle blank रहेगा. Similarly now also we have to leave this circle blank. Clear? Now we have done one black color object also. So now what is this? It's a mango. And what is the color of mango? Yellow in color. So now we'll take a yellow color and we'll color this mango. So some other yellow color objects, can we discuss them? Can you tell their names? Sun, yes. Then we have sunflower. Then we have bananas. They are also yellow in color. So if you see smiley emojis, जो smiley faces होते हैं, when we see them in mobile phone, they all are yellow in color. So we can say emojis are yellow in color. They are different faces now. So they are also yellow in color. So we have completed this mango. Now can you tell me, should I color the leaf yellow only? इस leaf में भी yellow color करना है? No. We'll color this leaf with green color. So now I'll take this green color because leaves are green in color na. So we'll take this leaf for leaf we'll take this green color and we'll color it. And for the stem, which color we need? Brown color. Yes. So we'll do this brown color here in the stem now. Done. Now what is this? Clouds. And what is the color of clouds? They are blue in color. So now we'll do blue color here. So class, I have used pencil colors. You can use your oil pastels or crayons. Clear? You can use pencil colors also, but if you want, because you are doing this coloring in your file, you can use your oil pastels or crayon colors also. But when you are doing work in book, for book you will always use pencil colors. Is that clear to all? So like this we are coloring the clouds. So when can we see clouds in the sky? When the weather is rainy, yes. So these days rainy season is going on. Weather is always rainy है ना, बाहर बारिश का weather होता है ना हमेशा. Like this we have colored a cloud also. So we have done one green object, we have done one red object, then one black, one yellow, one blue. Now what is left is white. And what is this? It's an egg and they are white in color. So I'm not using any color here because my sheet is already white. If you are using any colored sheet, you can color this using your white color, because if I'll do now, the color is not visible because my sheet is already white. Clear? So white object is egg, and some other white objects are like cotton, or you can say snow, snowman. Clear all? How you are going to do your today's work and practice? So class, you have understood how you are going to practice today's work. So keep revising the things. So today we have revised the topic of colors, and we have also tried making some objects related to these colors. So this is the one topic which we have done revision. Now please keep revising all the things that we have done till now, so that it is easy for you to attend the upcoming assessments. Clear everyone? Don't forget to share your beautiful colors and pictures after completing the work, that I want to see how beautifully you have done your work. And an instruction which I want to repeat is, I request all the parents to share this work in Google Classroom only, because in the upcoming days when the assessments will begin, you will be only able to upload your work in classrooms. So kindly start using it so that there won't be any problem during the assessment time. उस टाइम पे आप लोगों के लिए इजी हो जाएगा. अभी अगर कोई प्रॉब्लम फेस हो रही है, इट्स टाइम वी कैन क्लियर इट ऑफ, बट एग्जाम टाइम में, असेसमेंट टाइम में बहुत डिफिकल्ट हो जाएगा. सो प्लीज टेक दिस अपलोडिंग वर्क इन गूगल क्लासरूम सीरियसली. Download the app and start using it. If you face any problem, repeatedly I am asking you, if you face any problem, please don't feel hesitate. Just call me and ask me and clear off all your queries. Is that clear? So thank you for today. We hope to meet you soon in the next class with revision of one more topic. Bye all. Take care.